Hey guys, it's Mad Morta, and this is part 4 of the We Lite portable worklog. As you can see, I have my GameCube controller wired up. Obviously, I won't be using that plug. I'll be wiring it directly to the GC Plus board, but for testing, I have this hooked up. And you'll also notice that I have my A speaker with my audio amplifier board hooked up. This is Aurelio's WeHUD audio amplifier board that's still in development. This is just a beta test sample that I got. And so what it does basically is you can hook up 2 speakers, although I just have one hooked up for testing right now because I have to epoxy the points in. They're epoxied on the underside of the Wii, but they're not epoxied on the board itself yet, so I have to do that. But you can see that I do have volume. It's pretty quiet. So by pushing Z, Y, and then D-pad up or down, I can control volume without separate volume buttons, which is awesome. And, you know, everything just works like normal. It also has the ability to hook up to a headphone jack with automatic switching, and I did try that out yesterday and it worked great. It's awesome. But right now I'm still getting that finalized and finished. Let's see. Okay, so aside from the wiring, I've been working on my case some, and this is the top half of my case with my 5-inch screen, and I 3D printed like a holder for it. This fits right into the top half of my case, and you'll notice that there's like a indentation there, and that's for the driver board, and that way it's only this thick, which I think is like 7 millimeters tall, I think. But the whole screen with the driver board fits in the top part. I'm actually working on the bottom half right now. This is pretty much all figured out, but I do need to figure out how to make it have just a little bit more room so I don't have to indent my buttons. Right now, this is completely flush with the top part of the bottom half. So I still have, you know, my the parts you saw last time. I have my little PS2 feet and D-pad buttons, but I've gone over and bondoed and sanded everything. There's a couple minor imperfections, but a lot of that's actually the primer, not like that little bump there. That's just the primer spit a little bit. So everything's actually pretty smooth. You can see. So right now I'm just working on making sure that everything fits because I have video and audio working. Here's the driver board for my screen. I had to relocate this inductor and this capacitor to a better place to make it, you know, a little bit shorter. And then I can give it 3 volts or 3.3 volts from this pin right here, and it boots up just fine. So this is my board, but yesterday I managed to mess up this little like FCC cable thing, and it's really loose now. So my screen doesn't fit in there tightly anymore, so I'm having screen issues, so I'll have to order a new board, which is okay because I do need a higher resolution screen anyway, so but I need a board of this size. Any bigger and I probably can't use it. Or if I could, it'd require relocating way more than just these 2 things. Yeah, so the one that I ordered was 800 by 480, I think. But the one I got was like 480 by 272 or something. So pretty low res, but I'm gonna get a new one anyway, so it's okay. But I did get it working, and I did get the top part for the screen. And since the screen should be the same size, really all I'll have to change is the dimensions of this on the back, I think. So the next, I ordered some little speakers that are square for 3DS, and hopefully that will fit in my case, because this round one here, which I think is from a DS Lite, doesn't quite fit in the bottom half of my case, and I want my speakers to be like right here. I want my speakers like right there. I'm also working on how to do my fan and heatsink setup. Right now the plan is to have my heatsinks here, and then my fan over here, like on top of these things, blowing this way. So I'm going to remove these capacitors here and have the fan, like a blower fan, blow this way, but then channel the air up and out. So I'm going to try and do that, and if it doesn't work, then I'll have to rethink that, but I'm really hopeful that that'll work. And the reason for that is I want to conserve this space right here and use that for like a charging port or a video out port or something like that. So that's my plan. Although if I absolutely have to, I will have a blower fan just blow out here like I was originally intending and squeeze my my other ports in other places. But I think this is a really good place to have a lot of that, so I'm trying to save this little patch here for that. So I think that's it for this update. I'm going to try and get as much done as I can in the next couple weeks, because I have another project underway that I'm really excited to work on. So I'd like to finish this up and have it be done and completed. Yeah, I still need to buy paint and finish up with some of the buttons and ports on the case. But I mean, this right now, it's a fully functioning Wii. It's really just a matter of putting the last few pieces together, and waiting for the last couple of parts to get in. The screws I ordered for my 3DS sliders they came in as the wrong size, so I can't use those. So I have to get different ones. But that's about it for this video. So thank you guys for watching.